Enough, Bradley! Stop lying to me! 3 nights, Bradley. 3 nights you walk through that door smelling like cologne you didn't leave with, and you stand there with that face, that calm face, like I'm some fool you found on the street.
Natalia.
Don't you dare say my name like that. Like I'm overreacting, like I'm crazy. I am not crazy.
I never said you were.
You were about to. I know that tone. Then explain it. Explain why for 3 days now, 3 consecutive days, you've been coming home exactly 1 hour late. Not early, not 2 hours, 1 hour, like you measured it, like you thought I wouldn't notice.
It's not what you think. I'm finalizing a business deal, Natalia. It's a big contract, the timelines are tight, and the client is demanding. That's all this is.
The client. Always the client. Always the business. You didn't used to be like this, Bradley. You have changed.
I've changed? You want to talk about change? What is this sudden accusation all about?
Why don't you ask your little chef?
Natalia, let's not do this.
That's right, you don't get to lie in my face anymore! Not after Anne. Lavenda's catering. Your little chef. The one sitting so close to you basically swore you had nothing to do with, but I know otherwise.
Anne is a professional chef, Natalia. She cooks and gets paid. But now she's gone, you indirectly made that happen, problem solved. That is the beginning and the end of that story.
Then what was the text, Bradley? What exactly was that message from Hector? Because what I saw didn't look like a catering invoice.
Is that what this is about? I should have known.
Don't play games with me, Bradley.
You saw a message from someone trying to form an alliance with me by meddling into my life. Natalia, you saw a text, fine, but without the full conversation. We both know you don't have the password to this particular phone. And that's because it's highly business-oriented, but let's clear that doubt, shall we?
I'll be the judge of that.
You want proof? Here.
Let me see that. Oh my God. This doesn't take you off the hook.
Natalia, you have my other phone password. You've seen the text from the employees, the secretaries I had to fire for sending thirst traps. The 5-star female hotel managers I've ignored. Let this little chef incident not be a problem.
So this means you had no idea about Anne?
Exactly. Like I've already said, you should stop worrying. And tonight, yes, I'm going out again. 1 hour and a few minutes. I could have taken you with me, Natalia. Some new engine models are being tested for an F1 team. I didn't think it's worth dragging you to the factory at this hour.
Not worth it? As long as the chef isn't involved, I believe you.
Anne is gone. I called the agency this morning. A different chef would replace her. I sent her away not because I have something to hide, but because you matter more to me than a caterer. I'll be back before you know it.
It's just a business outing, that's all it is, 1 hour.
Highway's clear.
He said 1 hour, and Bradley has never been a liar. So why am I sitting here like this? Why does this apartment feel like it's closing in on me right now? Okay, think, Natalia. Think clearly. The texts between him and Hector, I read them. I read every single word on that phone, and it was right there. Hector arranged the whole thing. He went to that agency, handpicked Anne, made sure she was the one they sent over, because that's what Hector does. He is cunning and he is fond of women. And he wants an alliance with Bradley. But Bradley didn't bite. He didn't. Because the man I know, the man who has held my hand through every version of me, he is not that man. He is not a cheater. Here is your key, Mr. Bradley. Enjoy your stay.
Thanks.
He looked at Anne the same way he looks at every other person who walks through that door. Like she was staff, nothing more, nothing less. He even called the agency. He had her removed. What guilty man does that? What man with something to hide picks up the phone and eliminates the problem before you even ask him to? A man with a clean conscience. That's who. So then why does this feeling refuse to leave? Why is there still this thing sitting on my chest that won't move no matter how much sense I talk into myself? Is it me? Am I the problem? Am I too much? Too suspicious, too loud, too quick to turn nothing into something? Maybe I pushed him into these late nights. Maybe the arguing, the questioning, the constant need for reassurance, maybe that's exhausting for him. Maybe I'm exhausting for him. Do I cause him too many problems? Does he look at me sometimes and wonder if it's even worth it? No, stop it. Stop doing that. Stop shrinking yourself to make room for doubt. He loves me. He has shown me over and over again that he loves me. 1 hour. He said 1 hour, and when that door opens and he walks back through it, I will not be this woman. I refuse to be this woman. He always comes